you know, you have to have tough skin as an investor. And you also have to have very tough skin as a person on YouTube that's online that just talks about their positions that they invest into. Not necessarily telling anybody else to invest any way that they should or shouldn't. But there are comments that come out, right, where people will say the worst things possible. You don't know what you're doing. You're the worst person ever. I lost a ton of money because of you. And the list goes on and on. Now, when I look at that, I look at it multiple ways. One, I have tough skin. I'm not going to be somebody that's hurt by somebody telling me that I have a horrible strategy and I can't trade and I don't make any money because they don't know what I'm doing and how much money I'm actually making. But also, when you have people that say, I lost all my money because of you, that tends to hurt a lot of people, right? Like, oh, you lost money because of me. No, right? I talk about the positions that I'm invested into, that I like, that I enjoy, that my exit plans. And one thing that we have to separate is my mindset versus everybody else's mindset. Because just like if I was to say I'm going to become a Jasmy millionaire, you can say I'm going to make $1 million as well. You could have less JasmyCoin or more JasmyCoin than me. But it doesn't mean that you're going to make the same amount of money as me or lose the same amount of money as me because we all think differently. So when you say, I lost money because of you, you decided to sell too early because you got impatient. You decided to buy into that position at the prices that you bought it at because you felt as though it can go a lot higher than that. However, when it went lower, you didn't believe in it anymore. So did you actually believe in it in the first place? That's where we come from. And that's where I go, okay, my mindset is completely separate from everybody else's. Because as it starts to increase, a day like today, you now have comments where it's like, I should have held on to my JasmyCoin. Why did I sell it at 40% of a penny? And now it's increasing here today, and they're just upset. Doubters are furious. They're absolutely furious right now because the only reason they doubted it was because they stopped believing in the position. Which makes me think, again, did they ever believe in it in the first place? So if you guys could, we're going to talk about this in this video. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you can check out the link to today's video sponsor, FortisX, feel free to do so. They keep your holdings working for you with liquidity pools, managed staking. You can earn up to 17.72% variable APY with things like XRP, Ethereum, USDT, and many others. You have no lockups, meaning that you can withdraw anytime that you want to, and it's built for people that have been holding cryptocurrency for a long time. If you've been holding cryptocurrency for 5+ years, 6+ years, 7+ years, this would be the opportunity that you would have in front of you to make extra on top of those holdings. Those holdings aren't going anywhere, but you can make a variable APY as you go along in the years, giving yourself more of that cryptocurrency that you truly believe in. So definitely go ahead and check them out. They have a calculator to see how much you would be able to gain if you invested $50,000 for a 1-year time frame with the 17.72% variable APY. You can gain about $8,000 over that time frame over that year. That's an extra $8,000 in XRP that you didn't have before. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. But let's go ahead and talk about the topic at hand, which is JasmyCoin. JasmyCoin is experiencing some growth today. This morning, it's up by 13.37% in the last 24 hours. It's at a $265 million market cap, and the volume is up 431%. $45 million in volume. That is a 16% volume to market cap ratio. So it has been experiencing some decent size increasing all the way up to 55% of a penny of a high. I believe that's where it was, 55% of a penny, closing in on 55% of a penny, which is amazing, right? But it has a lot further left to go, right? To a penny, to 2 cents, to 3 cents, to 4 cents, all of that. But as we saw in the last week, it was down to 40% of a penny, 44% of a penny of a low. And many people at that time, when I'm like, I believe in JasmyCoin, I put out the videos talking about how I'm still strong on JasmyCoin. I still have 3 million JasmyCoin. And if I had more money, I would have 10 million. Like, I understand where people come from and go, what do you see in JasmyCoin that they don't see? And I explain that. But it doesn't mean that you have to go about buying that position or holding that position because you don't believe the same way that I do. So for people that now doubt it, there's doubters that have always doubted it. There's doubters that have grown into doubting it, right? Where they invested at a little bit of a higher point, maybe 53, 55% of a penny. It decreased down to 40% of a penny. They lost a decent amount of money and they're like, I give up on this position. I don't want to lose anymore. So then they sell it and now it goes back up to where their cost basis is. If not, go a lot further. And those doubters, those newly doubters, are absolutely furious. And the older doubters are always going to be furious anytime JasmyCoin makes any type of movement. 433% increase in the volume. Yeah, of course they're going to be upset. But here's what I want to say. When I invested in the JasmyCoin, I did, as much research as I could. Right? When I first wanted to, it was when it got launched on Coinbase. And that was where all of the hype came from. And I was just like, oh, there's so much hype, so much potential. Many people want to see this thing thrive. And my thought process was there's too much supply left on the table. I need to see it diluted. And once we saw that dilution, that's when I made my move into the position, knowing that these are low figures to where it can actually be worth, right? Billions of dollars, tens of billions of dollars is where it's going to stand. Once we see altcoin season truly take place, many altcoins are going to make these moves. The only altcoins that we have right now that are making moves are bigger altcoins, like an XRP that made a huge move, Solana that made a huge move, BNB that made huge moves, Ethereum that went up to its all-time high, if not created a smaller, well, not smaller, a brand new all-time high, but just not as much of an increase as what you would expect with a brand new all-time high. And not many others, but some others that are larger cryptocurrencies. But then everything else didn't really experience the breakout that we expected to see. JasmyCoin did have a decent breakout, but there's so much more left on the table. And I think if you can time the market effectively, great. You can make money from it. Fantastic. You can get more JasmyCoin at a low. But if you were in it for the long term, you see so much more potential in where this will be. In the last year, we were at a 2-cent price point. Hovering around a 2-cent price point. If we look at all history, we found a way to reach 4 to 5 to 6 cents. And before that, we were at dollars, but that was with less supply that was out there. Now we have the 50 billion, which is not a crazy amount. It just requires us to get to multiple tens of billions in order to get to that dollar figure again, which I do see it getting to $1 to $1.50. I do see it getting to. This 99.5% creates or looks like opportunity for me. But for the doubters, it looks like failure. It looks like a rug pull. It looks like the position giving up on the community. And that's not how that has ever been. Dilution has been a part of this world for the longest time. We do it with stocks, with big businesses, like the whole Facebook social network movie. I know you guys have seen that. There was dilution that went into that. You get diluted for new investors. That's how the world works. And you're going to see this become something a lot bigger because of that dilution that happened. Now, others will have dilution over time, which it may take 5 to 10 years to be fully diluted. This was diluted, but we were able to see a fast dilution, so now we can have that major success. So anyways, the whole point of this video is Jasmy doubters are furious right now because the increase that we're seeing, the 14%, 15% increase, the 400+% increase in volume, and once we start seeing that be more consistent, they're going to be like, what am I even doing? So if you guys could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for FortisX. I would appreciate it if you guys did that. Thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.